created a new approach to holistic wellness for us. I call it Biohacking Menopause for leaders. This is how I define it. It is the art and science of actively creating health by using science-backed, radical, precise, and practical ways of nourishment, movement, and recovery to take control of your health, mental focus, and emotional well-being. And this means that you'll be able to better reach your goals and be an all-around higher performing leader. It is an incredibly powerful approach, and it requires that you dedicate time and energy to learn about the changes that your body is experiencing as you transition to midlife, and how to take full control of your biology to stay strong, energized, and resilient. And that is what we really emphasize and discuss in our programs. Education comes before action. The why is so important, and then comes the what and the how. Also, it means taking the time to pay attention to the cues and to the ways that your body is responding to the lifestyle changes that you are incorporating. So you track and you refine as you go along, and you refine it to your individual needs. You tailor it to your needs, because all of us have different biology, background, and maybe lifestyle needs. And finally, be willing to systematically collect accurate, meaningful data as you're making these lifestyle changes, and using these data as a guide to make better decisions. For example, the same way that is nowadays so common that we track our steps daily as a measure of our movement, if you are concerned about your blood sugar level, so you can start watching how your body responds when you're changing your foods, your different meals. For example, the difference between if you had, let's say, pastries, bagel and cream cheese, and toast and coffee, versus eggs, avocado, raw nuts, and coffee. Or if you are having an intermittent fasting, if you're taking a few hours of fast and you're taking just the coffee and water hydration, or maybe a little bit of butter in your coffee, how would that affect you? How is your energy level? How long can you last until hunger starts bugging you as you are deep into your creative work? How is your mood? How is your brain power? And additionally, you might choose to collect objective data. In the case of your blood sugar, for example, you may decide to use a continuous blood sugar monitor with a sensor attached to the back of your arm for 2 weeks, so that you can day and night, you can 24/7 check your blood sugar levels real time as many times of the day as you want. And you can see after food, after times of stress, after exercise, how does your blood sugar reacts, how does your body react to those incidences. And the best approach is to use a combination of both objective and subjective data. At the end of the day, you need to customize your life for you. Your roadmap gives you the knowledge and the choices, and you pick what fits you and your biology, your genetic background, and the work schedule that you have the best. For more information, check out our website. I will leave the link below under group coaching programs or self-study online courses. And if you have any questions, schedule a consultation call and I would be more than happy to be in contact with you. Have a blessed and beautiful day.